17 secret consumer reporting agencies you should know about. So, you probably know about your credit score and the big three: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But what if I told you there are quite a few other companies low-key tracking your financial moves? Yup, there's a whole squad of secret consumer reporting agencies, keeping tabs on things like your health insurance, your prescriptions, store returns, and even your utility bills. In this video, we're breaking down who they are, what they're doing with your info, and how you can check to see if they're reporting the right thing about you, or if you want them reporting personal information for the world to see about you. Plus, we're going to introduce you to your best friend, the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Let's go. 1. If you've ever had to get a quick loan, Clarity knows about it. Lenders use Clarity to see if you're risky or not. So, if you've got unpaid loans hanging over your head, Clarity will make sure future lenders find out. 2. Eye on stuff like rent-to-own agreements and installment loans. If you've been buying things in payments, DataX is tracking that too. They let lenders know if you're good with payments or if you're a risk. 3. Factor Trust is right in the mix with payday loans and alternative loans, meaning if you're using non-bank lenders, they're tracking it. Lenders check Factor Trust to figure out if they should give you more money or not. 4. Check systems. If you've ever been denied a bank account, it's probably because of check systems. They track your checking and savings account behavior, bounce checks, overdrafts, or if you've had an account closed. Banks use check systems to decide if you're too risky to open a new account. 5. Telecheck. Telecheck tracks your check writing habits. Ever had a check bounce? Telecheck knows about it. Stores use Telecheck to figure out if they should accept your checks or not, especially if you're still writing checks to pay for stuff. 6. Early warning services. A WS, or early warning services, is owned by big banks. They track your banking moves like fraud, closed accounts, or other shady activities. Banks use a WS to decide if they want to let you open a new account or to keep a closer eye on you. We talk a little about this company in our video. Start your online business now. Check that video out for specifics about this company. 7. National Consumer Telecom and Utilities Exchange NCTUE tracks how you're paying your utility bills like phone, electricity, water, and cable. They're watching to see if you're late or if you don't pay at all. This info is used when you're signing up for new utility services. Miss too many payments? You might have to pay big deposits or get denied service. 8. Medical Information Bureau. MIB tracks your medical claim history. If you've applied for life, health, or disability insurance, they're watching. Insurance companies check MIB to see if you've had any serious health conditions. This can affect your insurance rates or if you can even get a policy. 9. Milliman IntelliScript. Milliman IntelliScript is all about your prescription history. If you've ever gotten a prescription, Milliman might know about it. Insurance. Companies use this info to check your health and decide what rates to charge you. Insured. 10. The retail equation. If you're someone who returns a lot of stuff to stores, the retail equation is watching. They track your returns, and if you're returning too many things, certain stores might stop you from returning items at all. 11. Sage Stream. Sage Stream is another credit reporting agency that focuses on a range of data from your credit habits to your payment history. Lenders use Sage Stream to see how likely you are to pay back loans or if you're a risk. If you've been denied credit and you don't know why, it could be because of Sage Stream. Well, ARS, Alternative Reporting Services. ARS, or Alternative Reporting Services, collects data on credit activity, especially when you apply for loans or credit. Lenders use focus on mortgages, rental applications, and even insurance claims. If you've been denied a rental or had issues with a mortgage, or take your checks anymore. 16. Bureau, CFPB. Now, let's talk about your best friend in this whole financial game, the consumer. Financial Protection Bureau, aka the CFPB. This is the government agency that's here to protect you, the consumer, from shady business practices. Whether you've been done dirty by a bank, credit card company, payday, loan, or any of these secret consumer reporting agencies we talk about today, CFPB has your back. Here's why they're the real MVP. Let's say you check your report of these companies, and there's a mistake like a loan you never took out, or an account you never opened. That mistake messes up your credit score, stops you from getting a house, car, or even file a complaint on the CFPB that investigates. They make sure companies follow the rules, treat people fairly, pay it service they promised. You can take it up with the CFPB and they'll put the pressure on them to make things right. And guess what? If a company is doing dirty business on a bigger before they mess up your financial game.